Good afternoon, everybody. I've got a camping generator that I recently acquired. Here it is. It's a Honda EU2000, and I'm going to attempt to install a generator wrap on it. It's going to be a camouflage style wrap. That way when I'm out camping using it, it'll be a little bit less obvious from a distance that it's a generator. Cleaned it up a little bit. Here's the cover I need to reinstall. I changed the oil in it earlier today and then did a nice cleaning job of the outer case, and I changed the spark plug also. There's a little scratch there that I maybe should try to sand down a little bit and smooth that out. I'll try to smooth that out with some 220 grit sandpaper. Obviously doing it kind of scratches up the area around the area where you're trying to actually sand. But that's much better. Smooth out that spot as well. Since the case is kind of beat up to begin with, I'm not really too concerned about scratching it up where I'm sanding it down. The wrap kit that I have is made by a company out of Las Vegas called 247skins.com. They sell through their website. But we'll go ahead and open up the package. I've never done any kind of graphics installation like this before, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve. As you can see, it comes in multiple pieces. The kit has quite a few different printed sheets with various pieces on them. This piece right here, I can tell, is the spark plug cover, so I think I'll start with that first. I haven't came across any instructions in here, so I'm just going to wing it. So I'll peel out the center section there. And probably what I'll do is start at the bottom of the cover, just to peel a little bit of the backing paper back. And I think I got that on there pretty decent. And I'm ready for another piece. I may actually find the other piece that goes around the rest of this and kind of get it lined up and then see where this piece needs to line up. So this great big piece goes on the side where the spark plug cover is at. Here's your cutouts for your vents. That piece is going to be a little bit of a challenge to install. What I'm going to try on this large piece, which essentially covers the majority of this side, is to spray a soapy water solution all over the side. Spray it on the back of the piece here, and then spray some on the top, and then use this little squeegee. What I'm doing here is lining up this vent as a baseline. And when I get these bottom vents lined up, the slot or this groove doesn't quite line up. So I'm going to go ahead and slice that with a pair of scissors right there. And right here.